Ay, yo, ay, Cannon, yeah, ay, nah, see, ay, Cannon. Rapper for fucking Pete's sake. God made me perfect, he don't make no mistakes. Holy shit, damn I'm great. Hey, I don't give a fuck. Rich McDuck. He told me that he really fucking sucked. I had some cocaine, send it back. Try to figure out where he got the mask. He doesn't come first, he comes last. He tried to take a sip from my empty glass. Trying to pop off really fucking fast. I can't see the difference between right or lies. I'm trying to figure out where the other guys. Hey, yeah, hey.